Hi there, Team YouTube. I hope you're well, having a fantastic day. My name is Malcolm. I am one of the SEO specialists here at ProLemon. In this quick video, I want to be going through with you how you can create a Google business profile for your own business. Yes, we are. So just to refresh your mind, a Google business profile is practically the business that you usually see when you type in keywords related to it, such as health shop, or the actual name such as Facebook, and so on. So the first thing that you want to do if we're going to get started is go onto Google and type in Google My Business. I know it's called a Google Business Profile, but it was called Google My Business before. So you just want to type in Google Business, and it should be the first thing that pops up. And then you want to click on the first link right there, which is Google. And you're going to be taken to this page over here. Please note that you do need to use a Google account to create a Google business profile, which is awesome. And then you want to say sign in, and it's going to automatically sign me in with my Google account, as you can see here. So I already have a little duplicate. I just want to create and add a new profile over there, which is awesome. So right here you want to type in your business name, and this example we can say demo shop with 2 P's. Why not? So once you select that, and you want to type in your business category. This is extremely important, so when people are searching for your category, your business can rank high for local searches. So in this example, let's go with the example that we went first. So let's go with Hawaiian restaurant. Why not? But that doesn't really match. So let's do health food store. There we go. Health food store, and click next. All right. So the next question is, do you want to add a location customers can visit, like a store or office? So this is really important, especially for your business. If you want visitors in, since we're going to be leaving the address, you would want to click yes. Or you're an online business and you don't have an actual workplace, so you want to click no. So it's absolutely up to you. But in this instance, we just want to take you to the longer route and click on yes. And we'll click on yes, next. Yes. And this is one of the most important parts, which is enter your business address. So you want to make sure that you enter your business address. So I have let's just go on random business address generator. Yes. And then we just want to get a quick address. Apologies to anyone who lives there, by the way. And then we want to separate this, so nicely choose the suburb. Postal code, I'm guessing that's the suburb. So postal code is right here, and just need to add the city. Oh, I'm guessing it's Warwick. So this is where you want to put your details in. So this doesn't really need to be accurate. So click on next. Okay, let's just use there we go. Okay, and then you're supposed to choose a location. Make sure that you nicely adjust to your place, and then you're going to click on next if you found your location. In that example, we're just going over something brief. Do you provide deliveries or home and office? So we want to click on yes. Of course, for your business, you want to click on yes. No if you don't, so you just want to do what most likely. Yes, this is really important. This is an area of service, meaning that this is the particular place in the city that you service. In this example, let's just use London. You want to make sure that you click on London and it will pop up here. So you don't want to just write London. It won't. You have to click on a proper place and click on next. So as you can see, this is what will happen if you do not. So you wanna, crucially important, you wanna add a phone number. This is also randomly generated, so it's fake. It's just for illustrative purposes, and you want to put in your website. So in this example, we just use demo shop with 2 P's .co.uk. Awesome source. And you want to click on next. Okay, so we want to make sure you choose your location properly. So we're going to actually put in a UK number. So we're going to choose United Kingdom. There we are, and click next. Okay, let's generate another number. So obviously this is where you wanna just pop by your actual phone number. This is just for illustrative purposes, as we mentioned. Paste that, and then awesome stuff. All right, and you verify. So there are 3 options. As you can see, you can get a code to the specific number that you've put in, or you can choose an email. So you want to put in your actual company email, since you have URL, and then or get this verified as soon as possible. So you're gonna click on next. Okay, let's change options. Actually, the more logical, effective one is email code. So you're gonna click on next and click on put in your actual email address, and you're verified. And practically from that step on, you will have your Google business profile. In the next video, we will get a video on how you can optimize your Google business profile. Optimizing meaning putting relevant information to help you rank in your local SEO. Once more, my name is Malcolm. I'm one of the SEO specialists here at ProLemon. I hope you found this video as being helpful. If you did, leave a like, leave a comment for more videos. Please subscribe to our channel. We'd love to hear from you. Stalk us please at prolemon.com for more SEO tips, and in the next video.